where there's a swampland and dump up that land and make that land usable so we can use it for the 500 houses that we want to build for affordable housing for the people here in Portland, and where we can put a proper urban center there too for the people of West Portland.
Fellow Jamaicans, as we approach the upcoming general election, constitutionally due by December 15, 2025, the country stands at a critical crossroads. The choice before us is clear: Andrew Holness or Mark Golding. Mr. Golding has been making many promises. Golding has announced an ambitious plan to build 50,000 affordable one-bedroom homes over 5 years. On the surface, it sounds commendable. Who wouldn't want more Jamaicans to own a home? But then came a statement that left us stunned. Mr. Golding revealed plans to build some of those houses on swamp land. I couldn't believe what I heard. I asked myself, does Mark Golding truly understand the purpose of our swamplands? Swamplands are not wasteland. They are vital natural buffers that protect Jamaica from devastating floods, especially in the era of worsening hurricanes and rising sea levels. They absorb excess water, protect biodiversity, and help regulate our ecosystem. So, how can someone who wants to lead Jamaica not understand this? How can a man seeking to shape the future of this island propose destroying the very defenses that shield our communities from natural disasters? Housing is a necessity, but it must never come at a cost of our safety or our environment. We need leadership that is bold, yes, but also informed, responsible, and rooted in reality. Come election day, choose wisely. Your vote is not just for a house, it's for the kind of Jamaica we want to leave for generations to come. A Jamaica that is strong, secure, and sustainable. Thank you, and may God bless Jamaica.